The Ohio Valley Astronomical Society meets once a month, either here at the Huntington High School Astronomy Dome or at Drinko Library, and it's the first Saturday of each month. And during the summertime, it's at 7 p.m. In the wintertime, we meet at 5 p.m. And when it's a nice clear evening, we invite public out to the site so we can do stargazing, look at planets, the moon, and other celestial objects.
All that fun space stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a fun hobby.
Want to take a look inside?
Sure. Okay, so this is the inside of the dome. It's the Donald C. Martin Observatory that was donated by Donald C. Martin, and it used to be up at the Huntington Museum of Arts. And the museum donated this to Huntington High School, and we placed it here for the use for both the high school students as well as for the group and public stargazing. The type of telescope that we have is a Celestron 14-inch telescope, and it's a nice high-quality instrument that allows us to do a variety of observing. As I mentioned earlier, looking at the moon, planets, other solar system objects, or even faint galaxies.
All right through the scope?
Yes.
And right out the top?
Yes, right through the shutter.
Okay. I guess it's pretty exciting when you actually get a look at some things that obviously we cannot see even close with the naked eye.
That is correct. This is a very powerful telescope, and we can see the moons of both Jupiter and Saturn, and some of the moons of Neptune and Uranus, and some really faint galaxies that are millions of light years away.
Right here in Huntington, West Virginia.
Right here in Huntington.
Now, speaking of Huntington, most of the group will not be in Huntington for the actual solar eclipse. Tell us where you're all going.
That's correct. Most of the group will be traveling south, anywhere from western Kentucky all the way down through South Carolina, looking for a clear sky on the day of the eclipse, where they will be in the zone of totality, which means that the moon will completely cover the sun at that location. Here in Huntington, the coverage is only going to be about 92%. So one thing that everybody needs to remember in the WSAZ viewing area is to wear your glasses. Do not try to look at the solar eclipse with your naked eye. Use some type of protection that's approved.
Can't say that enough.
Not enough.
How exciting is it for you guys to be involved in this?
This is very exciting. It's one of an event of a lifetime. And we're actually somewhat fortunate because in about 7 years we'll have another one that's fairly close by. It'll go up through western Kentucky, but up through Ohio. So it's a kind of a different tract, but that one will be a nice one as well.